Oh shit. Here we go again.
Hey people, Kiara here from iDigi Affiliate. Today we're going to be promoting the $25 all-in-one done-for-you business using My Lead Gen Secrets day 38, I believe. Alright, so let's talk about the reason in which I like to promote this product. It's because it's a funnel builder in general. In general, it's a funnel builder with a lot of info on how to use funnel builders, a lot of emails and marketing. It's a bunch of other stuff too, but the funnel builder is what you're mainly paying for. With the $25 all-in-one business, it's already set up for you. But and it's a ton of people you can set up for you. You don't have to build it yourself or anything, but it's very easy to build on, which I really like. It's only $25. It has no limitations on it. That's the biggest thing. The most popular funnel builder right at the moment is ClickFunnels, which is I think $97, something like that, a month, right? And it has limitations on it, like only a certain amount of people can look at your page at a time. Basically, only like, I don't know how big the number is. It was not that high, but only that amount of people can look at your page at one time, which normally wouldn't be an issue. But when you're using My Lead Gen Secrets, you get so many looks and clicks. You got 23,000 clicks, guys. So you get a ton of clicks when you use My Lead Gen Secret because you send an email to a ton of people. All right, guys. And you had to upgrade to $300 per month to not have that, and I thought that was ridiculous. All right, guys. And this, you have no limitations. $25 already. It's already built for you. You don't even really need to build it. That's the greatest thing about it. And the second reason why I like promoting the $25 all-in-one business is because of its affiliate system, where you get 80% recurring commissions. 80%. They buy something that's $25, you get 20 of it. If they spend 125, you get 100. They spend 500, you get 4. They spend 1,000, you get 8. You see what I'm saying? Very high recurring commissions. Very high commissions and recurring commissions. Like, this is every single month, guys. It's very crazy and a very lucrative deal here. I think it's the best system you can promote right now in 2022. I don't see nothing that's better. I literally looked, and this is the best system to promote right now. All right, first off, okay, let's get to it. Let's check and see if we got a sale yesterday. Doesn't look like we have, so let's refresh the page. All right, it looks like we did not get a sale yesterday. Okay, so that's okay. One more thing as well. You want people to refresh the page when they show you results. I've seen a lot of YouTubers, they don't do that. They show you still pictures to show their results. Like, I made $1,000 a day. They did not. They could change these numbers around very easily. I especially see it a lot for ClickBank. Yeah, ClickBank results. I see a lot on that. They can change all them numbers and bars around very easily, and you can do it on any page. So don't believe it unless they refresh the page, guys. So we didn't get a sale yesterday, which is totally fine, but let's move on here. We're going to My Lead Gen Secrets here. Okay, I already done picked the email I want to use here, but you come up to here, you click on mailing system. When you get on My Lead Gen Secrets here, it's probably gonna be on the home page. You just click on mailing system. You get down here and you select all your emails like that right there. I don't really bother any of this stuff. It doesn't really matter. This is the link here, and I meant to say this is the email here that I'm gonna use. Get up to $120 per customer, right? We're gonna scroll on down. We're gonna look at the email here. I'm just gonna show you guys the email in personally. If you want to copy the email, you can absolutely copy it. I'm gonna show the whole thing real quick. Boom, 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 like that, right? I'm thinking about pinning sincerely me. Let me pin that, and then pin my I think what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pin isolate, no bowl. Yeah, I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna get a photo of myself. I'm gonna get my photo. My photo's on Imager, but wherever you got your photo at, get it. Images here. on it wrong. Want to copy image address, and then you're gonna put the image in. If you got a photo, you don't have to use a photo. You can just type your name if you want to. I just happen to have a photo, so I just use that instead. All right, I'll just type it. It's too big like that, so we can get 170, 175, somewhere around there. It's pretty good, right? It looks pretty good together, right? But yeah, I just do that instead of censoring my name. I think it's look really cool. That's why I do that. You don't have to though. You don't have to. And for the link here, what you pick for your link here, you want to go to once you sign in, once you click in, sign in and all that, guys, you'll have a page where they give you all your links. They're going to use SamCart to give you all your links, and the link you want to use is the all-in-one $25 business. Okay, guys, you want to use this link here. This is the one I'm promoting personally. You can try other links if you want to, but this is the one that I think this is the one that's making me money, so I'm sticking to it. So yeah, that, guys, and we're making this money simply off of My Lead Gen Secrets. You can promote it in a bunch of different ways as well. I'm making YouTube videos as well. You can copy exactly what I'm doing. Make sure you hit perfect timing as well. Perfect timing does send an email around time people check their emails. All right, guys, so we're gonna send an email just like that. We're done. Make sure you preview. If you haven't sent the email before, make sure you preview and make sure the link works. Guys, you always want to make sure the link works. I don't have to do that because I don't send this email before, so I know the link works. But make sure the link works. Otherwise, you send it for no reason. You know what I mean? So that's all there is to it, guys. That's about it. All the links are in the description, you know, for My Lead Gen Secrets, for the $25 online business. Also got a link in the on my channel page if you want to do it from there as well. It's the same thing. It's just a link there now. I just put it up there. I just realized I ain't put it up there yet, but it's up there now. But anyway, guys, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.